Hi guys, it's me Zoriana again, and today we'll be making minced turkey fried rice.
I haven't tasted it though, which is weird. So yeah, let's get on with it.
First, you need carrots, red peppers, yellow peppers, green peppers, garlic, ginger, spring onions, red onions, chili flakes, vegetable bouillon, crushed black pepper, salt, basmati rice. Today we are using the golden stereo basmati rice, and then of course minced turkey. First, fry this in our frying pan. You no need of any oil. Fry the minced turkey. You want to chop it all and that, and yeah. and add the red onions in. What is that? Add about half to get the flavor in. And also make sure they cook well, or then you'll get sick. This has to cook completely, or else, as I said, you'll get sick. And you don't want that to happen. You definitely don't want to get sick. Not in my way. Next, add the vegetable bouillon. You want 2 teaspoons of that. 3 mostly. Then you want to mix it up. All of it up. I'm not joking. You have to mix it all up. And wait, did you forget to like and subscribe? For beginners. Like, subscribe, get into the video. 3 things only. Like, subscribe, and get into the video. No excuses. Okay? Moving on now. Zooming at the bottom, can you see the like, subscribe, and turn off notifications? Please do it. Please. Then you want to add in the crushed black pepper. And then again, you want to mix it around. Make sure it's good. Then add the chili flakes. But if you don't like chili like me, you don't have to add it in. You can just leave it like that. Or you can you can only add a little bit in. My mom likes chili, so she has to add chili in it. She's a chili lover. Once it is done, set it aside and we'll start on a yummy fried rice. Oh, I love fried rice. Okay, that right there is a good color you want it. So as he said, put it aside. So you want to put that onto a big plate because it's going to be quite a lot. In the same pan, we add olive oil. Then you want to add the ginger. Not big fan of ginger. Fry it for 2 minutes. And for the reason we'll do this, so by the time we're finished, it's tender. And tender means soft, but not chewy soft. So you definitely can make that in for about 2 minutes. It's not too long. So yeah. Then you want to add the garlic after to elevate the flavor, which means it will make the flavor. What? You want to add the carrots, my favorite thing. You want to make that too. So 3 things: ginger, garlic, and carrots. You just want to put those in. You want to do it, you can do it in different pattern, but you have to add it in first. Then we need red onions. But I'm not really a big fan of onions, so. But it makes the flavor nice, but I don't even like it. I know it makes the flavor nice, but I don't really like it. Then you want to add the peppers. So we got green peppers, yellow peppers, and then for the last pepper is red peppers. I love red peppers. No joke.
I'm just saying that red peppers are actually not spicy. They're actually quite sweet. So I just say, oh, red peppers.
They're going to make me spicy.
No, they're not making me spicy. They're just crunchy and sweet.
Yeah.
That.
Then you want to add in our minced turkey. That looks yummy, but I haven't tried it, so yeah. Sad. Then you want to add a golden style basmati rice and mix it all in. Stir and make sure it's completely combined. When I say completely, I mean completely. Go on, go on. Ew, that's looking good. And mix that in. This is looking so good. Can't lie. No lies. Next, we add just spring onions to garnish. Then it's ready to serve. Yummy. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. Please, and my goal in this video is getting 50, 100 likes and subscribers. Please do it. I'm an 8-year-old girl. Well, 7 last time. But whatever. My birthday came like long ago. I know. And please like, subscribe, share, and put on the notification bell. So anytime I make a new video, you're the first one. Like clickety clack clack. You're the first one to get here. Bye.